Where are you, super kids? Are you watching us? Did you subscribe Alpha and Mika Just Life channel to be part of our adventurous journey? Super kids, are you ready? The world is calling for super kids, super kids. Imagine a world where every school day is a battle. Not with math problems or science projects, but with bullies. It's time to change the game. Bullies, think for a second. Every shove, every mean word chips away at someone's happiness. You have the power to be a hero, not a villain. Use that power to lift others up, not push them down. To all the super kids out there, you're stronger than you know. Standing up doesn't always mean standing alone. Together we can transform our schools into safe havens where everyone thrives. Remember, the true measure of strength is not how you handle power, but how you empower others. It's time for a change, and it starts with you. Be the hero you're meant to be. Thank you, super kids, for your time. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe Alpha and Mika Just Life. Until next time, take care.